Hey everyone, welcome back to AutoStream US. Today we're diving into a massive wave of developments inside Tesla's hardware and software ecosystem. From next-generation cameras to new computing architecture and major updates rolling out across the fleet, this is one of the clearest signs yet of Tesla preparing for a fully autonomous, fully retrofit-ready robo-taxi future. Let's break it all down. First, let's talk about the biggest discovery. Evidence of a brand new camera sensor known as the IMX-OON. This signals Tesla's transition toward its upcoming HW5 hardware, the next step in the company's computing platform for autonomy. The introduction of this sensor suggests a focus on higher precision, stronger low-light performance, and more accurate data collection, all essential for the next generation of autonomous driving features. These changes point toward a major leap in how Tesla vehicles perceive the world around them. But new hardware isn't the only thing happening. Tesla is also deep into the development of robust camera systems specifically for its robo-taxi fleet, under what's known internally as the Halo project. This includes technologies like hybrid water-repellent lenses, improved durability against extreme weather, and even self-cleaning systems designed to keep cameras fully functional in rain, snow, dust, and urban grime. For a future where vehicles are expected to drive themselves without human intervention, these improvements aren't optional, they're absolutely necessary. Older Tesla vehicles aren't being left behind either. A new software upgrade targets models equipped with older Intel Atom processors, enhancing the dashcam viewer interface and overall functionality. The update makes the system smoother, more responsive, and more capable, showing Tesla's ongoing effort to improve user experience regardless of vehicle age. These usability improvements may seem small, but they're part of a larger pattern. Tesla is tightening every part of the ownership experience across the entire fleet. Next, Tesla's year-end update, version 2025.44.3, has already reached more than half of the fleet. This rollout brings a variety of enhancements, including support for traffic-related announcements and new energy-sharing features. These kinds of updates continue refining stability and performance while preparing the foundation for more advanced features to come. And this is where everything connects. Taken together, these updates paint a very clear picture of Tesla's long-term strategy. The company appears to be building toward a completely unified platform, one powerful enough to run next-gen autonomy and flexible enough to be retrofit across the fleet. The roadmap points to a full hardware lineup spanning HW4.1 to HW5, with up to 40 times more computing power than previous generations. This architecture is being engineered from day one to support unsupervised robo-taxi operation, and it's being designed to ensure existing owners can upgrade their vehicles rather than being left behind. In other words, Tesla isn't just preparing for the next model year, it's preparing for the next era of transportation. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay ahead of the curve on Tesla's biggest moves, make sure to subscribe to AutoStream US, hit the like button, and turn on notifications. The future of autonomy is accelerating fast, and we'll be right here covering every milestone.